So like, do you have like any short tips for like any people want to become like a LabVIEW architect, or getting into more serious kind of application development?
Yeah.
Any tips you have learned? Final tip.
Yeah, I would say like yeah, you are progressing very good, Ram. Actually, someone someone if they want to become a LabVIEW developer or architect,
Okay.
actually, and they have to undergo your training is what even lots of people over here
Okay.
in our organization. I would go and ask how
Uh-huh.
was your training. They would say it was great actually. So people are
Okay.
very much. Happy on your training and moving forward. And so someone says, "Come
Oh,
and
thank you.
so I become a CLD," and I ask how you become a CLD. Then the next answer is giving, I went to Ram's training.
Okay, that's very generous of them. Yeah,
Yeah, that
but like I wanted to like find a tip from your side, like becoming better LabVIEW programmer. Because what I'm trying to do is like just implementing the NI recommended guidelines. But
okay.
from your experience, like entire experience, like what is the one of the key skill that any general engineer or the LabVIEW developer should have? Like,
In general, any LabVIEW developer should. Okay, this is something which I was astonished on. A CLD question paper design is the art, is what I have to say.
Okay, wow,
So
that's very
that is the way they have to write a requirement
uh-huh.
in a larger project, rather than just trying to create a solution for the given CLD question paper.
Uh-huh.
How the CLD question paper is formulated, how the text are framed, how that
Uh-huh.
is the way of creating a requirement.
Wow, okay.
So when anyone go any project or any client side, they will say this, that, and this. But we have to create a requirement document in the first place. That is
Uh-huh.
the foundation actually. Their
Uh-huh.
code came to that level. Even ATM or any kind of solution
Uh-huh.
came to that level of code
Uh-huh.
because of the given CLD question paper as a requirement.
Wow. Uh-huh.
So if their requirement is going to get hit in some way, their output is going to get
Yeah.
get the replication actually.
Yeah.
So the requirement document is creating a requirement. How to create a
Uh-huh.
requirement document? If you ask me, refer the CLD question paper. That is the way a requirement has to be framed.